a new life high. So congratulations to everyone.
Yes, a fresh record high and 26,000 finally indeed. All throughout the trading session, we were going close to that mark, less than 10 points away, but it wasn't happening in a hurry. But finally, we've managed to conquer that mark of 26,000. Though I think we've come off from there the moment I think we hit that. Are we building on to gains? Are we sticking with that? That's the big question, because earlier we were talking about 26,000 by Diwali, by end of the year. But at the rate at which we are going right now, who's to say perhaps we could end the year with a much higher number as far as the markets are concerned. In fact, in terms of the big contributors right now, let's pull up the names which are actually doing quite well in the trading session, especially from the frontline index. It's Tata Steel, Hindalco, Power Grid, Tech Mahindra, ONGC. These are your top gainers. While on the losing side, it's HUL which is sulking, SBI Life, Grasim, Ultratech Cement, etc. But Naresh, quickly coming to you, this market setup, 26,000 on the cards now. Where do we go from here on? What's the next level to watch out for on the Nifty now?
So the momentum has been strong. We've got into a lot all-time high. In this case, trying to take a level better is to keep shifting your trading stop losses. That comes down to 25,500. And given that the last highs from the last highs, we could go towards 26,500 also possibly. But overall, the bias is positive. Until the time banks continue to support, the upside is open, because banks have not done well over the last 3 years. So we don't know how much of a momentum it can continue in.
That's the thing, right, Kunal? Because it's a touch and go with 26K, while optically, in any case, we're there. And today, it's not your key banking, IT kind of sector supporting it. It's largely metals. So are you convinced with this 26K? Because in the morning, you were talking about as to how you do see 26K happen, and we even build on to the gains.
Yeah, that's the good part about the markets today, that even with Bank Nifty being negative, we've managed to cross that 26,000 mark because we have support from other sectors. And when a sector churn plays up in a very classical way, where each sectors, they tend to have a phase where those sectors, they tend to participate, and then once the rally extends or gets into an overbought, these sectors or these stocks get back into a consolidation, and the move shifts to the other underperforming names or the ones which were consolidating in the previous leg. So I think that's a classical Bateman kind of a rally for the within sectors, and that keeps the market a lot more healthy. Now look at it this way, from 24,000 to 25,000 mark, I think we took around 22, 23 trading sessions odd, and from 24 to 25K, it's almost been 40 to 45 sessions for the index. So that itself tells you that the last 1,000 points, even if it looks like that the move has been more steep, but it's taken a lot of time for the index to move from this 25 to 26K mark, and with this kind of a sector churn move, it looks like that should be sustainable.
Yeah, I think.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.